So the little bunny was running around here. Oh, friends, this is really hard. Just really. Not this, I mean, it's hard for me. Hi, little hut. All right, let's... Now, friends, I'll take off my backpack. I've arrived. Look over there. We have such a gorgeous waterfall there. Winter, real winter. That's how it all looks. Today I'll be here. I'll find some crackers, break them up. Today I'll sleep here, spend the night. There are some rakes over there. Now we'll go inside. Alright, let's go inside. I'll put down the carabiner. You see, friends, I left things here. Left them here. What I left, nobody took, so no one has been here. Alright, well, let's see what's here and how things are. Look, mice have been running around, you see? Basically, I'll need to clean up. I forgot to bring newspapers because the mice, here's their poison. Alright, what do we have here? We'll dry the sleeping bag. Such a cool sleeping bag. I took this big one on purpose because I didn't know what it would be like here. Sleeping bag. The sleeping pads also need drying. Absolutely. So sleeping pads. Yes. Bottle. We'll get some water. Okay, guys, now let's probably check the liver. Let's see how the stove is doing. We'll gather some now. We just need to find some lard. We'll light the stove. Of course, it's a bit dirty in the hut, but friends, this little hut is kind of... It's not trying to be some kind of super hut. Well, friends, it looks like something caught fire, I think. Let's close it for now and see. The stove seems solid. It shouldn't smoke. Let's go outside and take a look. Friends, there's some smoke. Look, there's a bit of smoke. Don't mind me, friends. It's just that I haven't spent the night in a cabin like this for a long time. Look, there's some smoke. That's really cool. All right, I'm taking off my hat. I'm soaked through. All right, now, friends, let's see what we've got. I'll put the carbine here for now. Let's see what food we've got. It's cold. I'm starting to freeze. Everything is soaked through. I should have after all. All right, that's everything here. I should have brought my friends after all. All right, here we have large leaf tea. Bread as well. I got this Uzbek nukat shurak. I got it from Plover. I don't know, if I don't eat it, I'll just leave it here for the guys. Onion, potatoes, this is going to be our dish today. These are also ribs. Gloves. Salt, look, salt, friends, I took it in this thing. So, this is our ferry. This is the ferry. My pot with all the accessories. Oh, the vegetable oil spilled. The backpack. Oh, everything is covered in vegetable oil. Well, okay. Eggs. Bacon.
Salo. Yes.
This, friends. At work they give me this kind of... It's like a cream, if there's frost or something. It's just the thing to put on. Well, I won't say what this is. Yes, friends, you need to use something to help out. Here it is, the backpack check. Alright, let's close it for now. Well, that's basically it.
Alright, here.
Here we have a ton of ammo. I'm off to gather firewood. Pausing for now. Now we're going to get some water using these local little kettles. Now I'll boil some water in this rusty one. And then I'll wash these with fairy. Yeah, but I'll still fill them all up and boil the water. I guess you can probably come up here somehow. Oh, it's that way. There are rocks over here. This is for washing, guys. It'll do. Here, it's already like this. Looks like it's got holes. Also resinous. All of this is for kindling. We'll have to work pretty hard on the firewood in general. Alright, let's take a break for now. Here I found a piece. A structure piece. Let's test the saw's cutting. So let's do it without wasting energy. Friends, now we'll light a little campfire on it, basically. We'll try to cook on it. Alright, here's some warm water in the kettle. Here our potatoes have started boiling. The potatoes are cooking in their skins. Let it cook.
Alright. What else?
So friends, let me explain. I put the potatoes on to boil in their skins. In the evening we're going to cook something. A bit later. Well, we'll start before it gets dark. So, and now by the way, my tea is boiling here. Friends, some tea. I just put some more in now. Our potatoes are finishing cooking. Basically, we're surviving as best we can. We're picking up trash at the same time and burning it. Now I'll go get some more water, let it warm up on the fire. Overall, it's not too bad, friends. I actually like it a lot. It's interesting. It's just been a long time since we used to go to cabins like this, show up unexpectedly, in and out, everything quick, a few people, and it was fine. When you're alone, there's still a lot to do, like gathering firewood for the evening. I don't know about the stove, whether it's greedy for wood, like the cabin, but still it's better to stock up just in case. That's how it is, folks. Our potatoes are cooked, but not overdone. Right al dente, that's exactly how we need them. We'll take them off and let them...
Ah, look at this deliciousness.
Let it cool down. Now some tea.
Let the trash burn for now.
Alright, friends. Let's go have some tea. Let's go drink tea. Oh, hello there. It's warm and nice in the hut. I swept up a little. Well, it's useless here. Oh, let's pour some now.
Let's take our hat.
Why did you boil so little water? I'll boil some more now. Great! Whew, I can finally take off my clothes. I have 3 flashlights, a bunch of batteries, everything is just soaked through. Oh, right. I'll undress now. I don't know. I wanted to go to one place today to one, tomorrow I wanted to go to another. No signal. I guess it'll only work out tomorrow. And even then, just to one place. Some tea.
In the evening with candles, it will be perfect. It's a bit strong.
I'll chill today. It'll be fine, right, my precious buddies? Pour yourselves some tea too. We'll be together. It would be nice to have a window overlooking the lake, of course. I think I'll clean the window. A window to the lake would be great.
Someone left their tea here.
Here's an interesting snowman. There's an icon inside the snowman and something else in there.
Like a jewelry box. There are candies here and a sugar bowl over there. Well, not bad. Pretty cool. It's a cool thing. Okay, I have some bread. I have some bread. Some kind of... is that sesame or something?
A piece, bread. Salo, how can you be in a hut without Salo?
Here you go, friends.
Perfect, just like that. No, let's cut it here.
It's just not cutting very well.
My sleeping bag is so good that even if I run out of firewood, I won't be bothered. Oh, comfort. Comfort. That's the most important thing. Oh, friends, that's it. Life is good. Here it is, friends. No kat shurak or something like that. That's what it's called. We're going to have lunch now. Well, it's actually not bad. I'm not sure how things will go. The sleeping bag is good. We'll see. Now we're going to eat.
What's that?
So here we have peas and meat. It's hot. Oh, peas. That's it. Oh, the lamb smells so good. Well, that's it. We're done. We're done, guys. The hut is done for. Well, friends, enjoy your meal. So what kind of nokat shurak do we have here? It's chickpeas.
That is peas. I don't see any meat. So my friends, that's how things are.
I really like it here. I really do. But the only thing that bothers me a little is the feeling that I can't go fishing, and the hunt for game will be tomorrow.
And even then, in these kinds of forests, I usually hunt where there's some old road, an ancient one. Obviously, no one drives on it anymore. Well, it's impossible there. Well, there. But here, I don't know. Mice were crawling around. I came and cleaned up. I covered everything with these sheets. The feedback and suggestions book is over there. The stove is humming so loudly.
Oh, cool. I'm running a bit late, guys, because I got held up on the way. I got delayed and didn't know where to go. I've been here when there was no snow at all, and I've also been here when there was just a little timid snow. But I've never been here with snow like this, like it is now. And that's why I got a bit lost at first, wandered around a little. Oh, it's already starting to get hot. Here's the hut we've got, my friends.
This is where I'll be lighting the fire today.
A little hut I'm going to prepare some firewood now. Let's not do anything else and go. So I put the frying pan on. Now we're going to fry something for the evening. I feel like I won't be able to fry it on the stove. You'll see everything as it goes along. Pork ribs already marinated, ready to go. Just need to cut them.
Need to cut them. Let's add oil.
Right away, we can tell that our frying pan is crooked.
Wow, not bad. The oil is starting to heat up and sizzle.
Let's add our ribs.
Right away. It's sizzling. Excellent. A bit more oil.
There. Okay, everyone, look at this. Ribs cook quickly. This is actually my favorite food. Alright. Now we're peeling potatoes. Potatoes in their skins. We're peeling them by hand. I'm not even going to remove the eyes. This, my friends, is a super dish. I won't show you any nonsense. I rarely cook.
But when I cook, I do it well. Alright friends, that's it.
And we add our potatoes, just like this, whole.
We ended up with more meat than potatoes.
Alright, let's flip our...
So friends, how do you increase the burner?
Oops, that's it, and it started right away.
I'm quite the chef.
Alright, let's take this and put it on the stove. The stove is on, so it'll always stay warm. Alright, friends, here's the dish we made. These are pork ribs with potatoes boiled in their skins and then fried. You're welcome. There will be a separate video. I'll show you how I carry firewood. I saw a fallen tree like this. By the way, it's half dry. If I had a saw, I would cut it into logs. Ting, 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 done. But I don't have one. Well, I mean a chainsaw. So I took, as you can see, friends, branches and twigs. They'll burn great, especially when it gets dark. It'll be awesome. Of course, you can't really heat a stove with this stuff. No way. And I carried the firewood. Don't fall behind. Oh, there's smoke coming out. I'll show you what someone left here. I didn't find it myself. If I had checked last time, I would have taken it with me.
Take a look.
A bat. There's a wick, but how do you fill it here? I guess you fill it through. Through the wick. That's how it is, friends. There are actually all sorts of interesting things here. Take a look. A nut. See? Like this. A nut. They definitely used it to fish for burbot. So they fish for burbot here. And here are all sorts of 16-gauge shells. Of course, there are holes in the hut. Look, here are rings from fishing nets. In this hut. Well, the owner of this hut saw it. After releasing the video, the man who restored the hut reached out to me, though he wasn't the actual owner. He told me what condition. I asked him whose hut it actually is, who takes care of it, who the owner is, roughly speaking. He told me that he and his dad found this hut. The door had been torn off its hinges. There were some fir branches. Well, in short, there was all kinds of dirt in this hut. He said they restored the hut, but he doesn't consider it theirs. He believes the huts are for everyone, and I agree. He was so happy that I visited this hut. And I think this video will make him happy again. There's no signal here, so I can't call home. That's the situation.
Although I told my folks that there wouldn't be any signal.
Well, I don't know. They still worry anyway. It was hard getting here. Well, the evening is going fine. We'll have some tea, watch some movies. I downloaded a couple of movies. Well, basically that's how things are. And tomorrow we'll walk along the stream bed. So the current goes from here down. And there's something I want to check out there. I saw something on the satellite map and I want to take a look. And there's one more thing. I wanted to go there, but it's really far from here. And after walking today, I realized that I can't handle such a route. That's how it is, friends. friends. How many? 5 o'clock. It's getting dark. I just opened the door and went into the hut. I opened the door, lit a candle and left, and then I opened the door again. And I look, it's just, look how cool it is. Awesome. Chura. Such things are just petty, kind of. The candle is burning and it's so touching, it seems so cool. The camera likely isn't recording properly now. I'll demonstrate for you. Something like that. What time is it, guys?
It's 5:30.
It's 5:30 post-meridium, and the campfire makes it feel like twilight, though it's not dark yet.